Have you ever wondered, what if one day, without any warning, everything you love is taken from you? Your children gone, your home destroyed, your wealth lost, your health shattered. And the people you trusted the most blame you for it all. And worst of all, God stays silent. Would you still trust him? This is the story of a man named Adil. An ordinary man, but with an extraordinary heart. Adil was kind, honest, and God-fearing. He worked hard, helped others, and lived a peaceful, grateful life. He had everything. A beautiful home, a loving wife, 3 sons, 2 daughters. A good job, respect, comfort, and stability. People used to say, look at Adil, good people really do live a blessed life. But one day, everything changed. It was an ordinary morning. Adil was getting ready for work when his phone rang. Sir, said a trembling voice, your factory caught fire, everything is gone. Before he could even process the shock, another call came. Sir, your son has been in a car accident, he's in critical condition. A few minutes later, another message. Your bank account has been hacked. All your savings gone. By the end of that day, Adil's life had fallen apart. His son didn't survive. His business collapsed. His house was under debt. He sat in silence, broken, staring into emptiness, and whispered, God, why? I tried to live right. I hurt no one. Why me? But the heavens stayed quiet. Days later, Adil's body began to fail him. Painful sores appeared across his skin. He couldn't sleep, couldn't eat, couldn't move without pain. The man who once stood tall and strong could barely stand at all. His wife, overwhelmed with grief, cried out, Where is your God now? Stop holding on, curse him and die. But Adil looked at her with calm, tired eyes and said, We thank God when life is good. So should we not also trust him when life hurts? When Adil's friends heard of his tragedy, they came to visit. For days they sat with him in silence until one finally spoke. Adil, maybe this is punishment, maybe you did something wrong. Another said, God is fair. He wouldn't allow this unless you deserved it. Their words cut deeper than his wounds. Adil replied softly, I don't know why this happened, but I know my heart. God knows it too. Still, they didn't stop. They judged. They assumed. And Adil, he just wept in silence. Months passed. Adil was alone, sick, and hopeless. One night, in tears, he looked up at the dark sky and whispered, God, if you can hear me, please tell me why. And deep within his heart, he felt a gentle whisper, not of explanation, but of presence. You may not understand everything now. But remember, I have not forgotten you. That night, Adil found peace, not because his problems ended, but because he realized something. God's silence doesn't mean his absence. Time passed, and slowly, Adil began to heal. His strength returned, his health improved. He started a small business, nothing fancy, but honest work. Step by step, things changed. His effort paid off. He rebuilt his home, his stability, his life. And one day, as he stood watching the Sunri say, he smiled and said, I once only heard about God. But now, I've seen him work in my life. Adil's story reminds us, faith is not proven when life is easy. Faith is proven when life breaks you. And you still choose to trust. When everything is gone. When pain drowns your hope. Remember, the storm does not mean God left you. It means He's reshaping you. So hold on. Because the same God who allowed the test will also bring the restoration. Greater than before. If this story touched your heart, please like and subscribe. Because every test hides a miracle. And every ending is just the beginning of God's plan.